Welcome back. Now we're looking at the fundamental types in C++, and we'll be looking at the integer types, or the int type. So we have on the screen the types that we can utilize in C++, and you can see that they are associated with their bytes. And if you use long, you'll be using more bytes. The size is a bit bigger. So we have a character, integer, short, and long. So let's say, for example, you want to determine the fundamental limits of int. You have to declare this header file, which is climit, and when you declare it, you'll be able to determine the int max and the int min. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. So now we can let's determine the max and min of unsigned int and int, right? So we're determining the max and min of these, and you can just carry on. Forgot. So we move to the next line. Then after we can basically int let's use it on the same line. So there's a space here, and we call out int, which is in capital letters, int max, and we have to just have a space between, and now we're calling the int min. So we'll start with the max and then we'll add with the minimum. So now now we call the unsigned int max and min. Space, and the minimum here will be, let's just 0, because that's the minimum that we have of unsigned int. What else? I guess that's it. And then we run the program, build and run. So as you can see, it's doing the max and min. So the maximum is the same as here, and the minimum is the same. As you can see, is corresponding to what the table says, and return 0 tells us that the program ran successfully. So until next time.